One of the worst parts about winter is everyone gets sick.
Yeah.
Adult, kids, everybody.
Colds are the worst. They give you congestion, headaches, you have no energy. I'm gonna be showing you how to make a peppermint and pine salve recipe. It's a natural cold remedy to help loosen congestion and get you back on your feet.
So what are we gonna do here?
So for this recipe, you will need half a cup of solid coconut oil,
Okay.
1.5 tablespoons of beeswax,
All right.
7 drops of pine Scotch essential oil, and 7 drops of peppermint essential oil, and a little tin to put it in. So to start, we're gonna melt our coconut oil and our beeswax.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Put them both
and
in there?
beeswax. Yep, we'll melt them together. We're gonna wait to put the essential oils in because if the temperature of this gets too hot, the essential oils will evaporate and we won't get the benefits of pine and peppermint essential oil that we want. So Charlotte, tell me about your Christmas sweater.
My Christmas sweater. Oh, I have a penguin on and he jingles. What do you have?
I have a llama.
With a scarf. Pretty sweet.
It's important to stay cozy. All right, let's get this guy out of the way. And by the way, when you're working with beeswax, it's important that you don't get it wet. So I'm gonna get it out of the steam and set it here for now.
Okay.
Now that this is melted and it's just melted, we didn't let it get too hot, so the essential oils won't evaporate. You can go ahead and add them.
7 of each.
Yep. Now give it a stir. Depending on the thickness of the oil, it'll take longer for it to drop. So peppermint must be a little bit thicker than pine Scotch.
Gotcha. Pour it in here.
Yep. Use caution because it will get hot because it is tin. So don't hold the tin as you're pouring it. Yep, just put it right in. The easiest way to clean out a container when you're using beeswax is while it's still liquidy and hot like this, to grab a paper towel and wipe out as much as you can, and then you can get the little remnants out with dish soap. So once that's poured in, you're gonna let it cool totally to room temperature. You'll know when it's cool because it will turn white and become a solid. If you want, you can speed it up in the fridge. It's usually best to let it cool down a little bit just in the air so that it's not like, I'm hot, I'm cold, because that can be a little bit tough on the
Product itself. And for everybody.
Now that it's solid, you can see that it's white and it's gonna be like a hard ball, but when you touch it, it's gonna melt on your skin and you can use it as a natural chest rub.
Okay, over the bottom of your feet, and then you can wrap them up and get all snuggly.
That too. One thing to keep in mind is you won't want to put this right under your nose because that's just going to be too strong.
Right, and it makes your eyes water too because I've done it.
Learn from Shyla, don't put it right under your nose. All right, once it's ready, our subscribers who get everything they need for this recipe also have labels and a tag, and you can put the label right on the tag and then you have a gift ready to go.
Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, go to our website and subscribe to our recipe box,
where there's a whole lot more natural, toxin-free goodness where this came from.
See you later.